Cinema. The boy want to screw up them blood clot face. Done.
I got my car radio locked on Hot 97. When they take a commercial break, it's 105-second. Radio rap's cool, but the problem with it is that the more DJs get bribed to spin it. So the population is force-fed these light hits. So there's no choice but to say I like that. What they got, 20 tracks and
Stop the video. This is what it looks like inside. This is what's in here now. I used a kind of a storage situation for a minute, for like a couple of months, until I figured out how I was going to operate said trailer. You can see there's a lot of unnecessary stuff in here. I have some necessary stuff because that's the dolly right there. I'm going to get on here, and like I said, some of the stuff I'm taking off. I don't know. I think this is just electrical, because there is electricity wired to the trailer, but not to the trailer. If that makes sense. So of course I'm gonna put the food cart, the hot dog trailer right here. I'm going to put a rack right up front, and then on the side I'm going to put like the refrigerator that's right here. I'm going to put that right here. So ultimately I'm going to get all this stuff together. It's a 6x12 trailer, so we're going to make it do what it do. Alright? Alright, so this is the trailer. So I did a video earlier, but I didn't really show the trailer and some other stuff was going on. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get some things together. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the trailer together. I almost fell. Whew. I'm turning the light up. Get on my nerves. So I'm putting my trailer together. I'm cleaning it out. I did film earlier, but I didn't like the way the footage came out. So some of it I'm gonna use, and then some of it I'm not. And then it's on my phone, so I gotta transfer from my phone to my computer. And I'm opening the trailer now so that I can go in and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. My wife just got here. She got back from her chapter meeting. For some of those that don't know, she's a part of an organization. We're both part of organizations. She's a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. I'm a member of Phi Beta Sigma Incorporated. Fraternity Incorporated. So she just had a little chapter meeting. But this is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like now. I got a lot of this stuff out that was in it. I didn't take this refrigerator out because I'm going to eventually, I'm going to use it once the trailer is finished. So I figure why I keep taking it in and out. Even when I do the floor, I'll probably do the floor in sections and just move it around. This box is coming out. It's a desk. I used to sell furniture too. I've done a lot of things. So right here is where the counter is going to go. The countertop will go. I put my finger all up in it. Sorry about that. So this is where the counter's gonna go, and it's gonna probably start from this space, hopefully stopping somewhere around here, and just come across this way. And if that happens, then I'll have enough space to hand food out because the doors will be open in the back. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and let me lower this down a little bit. Ooh, that's brighter. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll put like maybe a whatchamacallit. I don't know if y'all was able to see me. I hope so, but I'll figure that out later. But cause I don't have a light in here just yet. I'm gonna put some lights up, similar to that one. But these lights will be the push lights, so I just push the button all along the line, the sides, all along the sides. Probably some along this little wood right here, which is why I don't think I want to take it out, because I can put the lights up here, boom, 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 battery operated, and just change the battery when I need to, call it a day. And as I look at it, okay, it'll be fine. If I put the hot dog cart directly against the wall, right here, and along this little line, I'll be able to get in. Right here, I'll be able to get in at the door coming in. I just gotta, figure out how I'm gonna do the refrigerator. Even if I put the refrigerator, cause I can always put the refrigerator on this side, right in front of the hot dog carton, but in front of the countertop. Like I said, the countertop, I'm just gonna measure something and find something in that space range. I really want it to come to about from right here to right here. That'll be perfect because it still give me the countertop space, and I can just reach out and hand it out. Or what I'll do is I'll butt it up against here to this little metal, which will give me still that space between here and here, which is pretty much ideal of what I want. I can put the refrigerator right here, right, and then I'm hoping that I can put the hot dog cart from this butted up against this, and it'll give me at least 1.5, 2 feet to just be right here between this and the refrigerator, so I can still come here, do what I gotta do, and then I got all of this section on this side. I got all of this section on this side to kind of really move around, and even though I'm gonna have like I might have a storage shelf right here, and I'll just kind of walk in between the line. It's not a lot of space, but it's enough. And I won't have this come out even with the storage shelf. I'll probably have it come out to about right here. So, that'll be good enough. Put a sink over there so I can wash my hands on the other side of the hot dog cart. Figure out how I'm gonna do it and do that and get that out the way. So yeah, this is pretty much the trailer part. As you can see, I'm getting it down. I'm getting these metal sheets off. I gotta take the metal off of there. Take all these wood planks right here off so I can put a flush board straight across. Right? I don't know if I'm gonna put them back up, cause I bought it like this, so I'm kind of figuring, but I'm thinking, cause when I can stick my finger behind it, so this board is connected to something, but I'm gonna put this, I might put these boards back up, I don't know. Tell you the truth, I really have not figured out. I'm trying to figure out why this thing is moving. I'm trying to figure out if I want how I want to do it. Do I just want to have this rustic look? Tell you honest to God truth, I can paint it, do the floors, but I kind of like this rustic look a little bit. I don't know. I have to talk to my wife and see what she thinks. So, right now, I'm gonna get on the buffer here. I can turn this off, save these batteries. Close this up. Y'all can see this can be a headache at times. So I gotta screw this in a little more. See. So what I'm doing now is getting ready to go back in, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the trailer and what I have going on. When I get done with everything, I'm going to probably paint it up. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it or just put some graphics on it, but up here I'm going to put some kind of something right here that I can put the tank on there. I gotta put tanks on the outside, so I'm looking to probably put like a grill or some kind of thing right here, and then build it up to like a case and put the 2 tanks right there. At least put 1 tank. So I'm being interrupted for some reason. People want to always come talking to me at the last minute. So I'll be back. Talk to you in a minute.